Hey guys, it's Mandy here, and I recently just purchased quite a few things from 1stphorm, and my box just got here, so I thought I would do an unboxing for everyone. And of course, in later videos, I will share with you what I think, and I'll have my husband test it too, because he is like the biggest critic for any sort of supplement company. And so anyways, it is the end of the evening and I am pooped out, but that is okay. We're gonna look through our 1stphorm stuff because I'm really excited to do that. And yeah, so here is what my box looks like. The things that I got from 1stphorm are things that I would normally take, but maybe from different companies, so I'm excited to give the 1stphorm a try. I love the 1stphorm platform and the vibe of the people that work there, and it was just so cool. I recently purchased some adrenal restore because of adrenal fatigue from them, and it has been super helpful, and I've been taking that for about 60 days. I could talk about that in a different video too. So anyways, let us get into this video.
Oh, hi guys! Hi guys!
For the protein, I picked this one. I got the German chocolate cake because for me, chocolate is a safe choice for protein powder. And then let's see, for a shaker, because I don't really have any cool shakers, I got this cool 1stphorm shaker. It's the 1stphorm outdoor shaker. Because, man, that would be really cool to get like a 1stphorm outdoor sponsorship. We are an outdoor family. We love, what do we love to do outside, Brooklyn?
We like to be silly and splash our puddles and do our restaurant.
Do you like camping?
Yes.
Do you want to go hunting someday?
Yeah.
Garrett, do you want to go hunting someday?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Do you know how to shoot the Nerf gun?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, next. So I have here, can you step over here, please? I have a cheaper pre-workout, and so I'm excited to try this here 1stphorm Megawatt in Sweet Peach. It is a caffeine-enhanced nootropic pre-workout, and I'm excited to share this with some other people to get their opinion too. Because before kids, I kind of didn't mind those pre-workouts that gave you like the jitteries and stuff and made you like ready to work out. But now that I'm a little older, I like a little bit chill, more chill, not so zingy, not so tingly in the face like you just took crack cocaine. Okay, next I have the cool. Let's open this bad boy up.
Is that
Garrett,
mine?
no touch.
Is
no
that
touch.
mine?
No, this is Mommy's. I've got a cool Hunter Orange hat now. This is the 1stphorm Outdoors Experience More hat.
Mom, can I pop this?
Let's see what that looks like. Nice tight fit on my big old head. Get out of the way.
Mom, can
Okay.
I pop this?
All right, that's like a nice snug fit. That'll keep the ears warm from show. Okay, so then I went ahead and got the M Factor Goddess vitamins. And this is a support natural energy levels, essential vitamins and minerals, and promote macronutrient uptake.
You want to pop this?
Let's see, there are quite a bit of ingredients in here, but I'm thinking that this is kind of like a multivitamin for the ladies. Okay, sorry about that. My phone died and it was really chaotic in here anyways. So the next thing that I purchased was the Full Mega. This is the omega-3 formula. You want to see it? So, this supports heart and brain health. And hopefully it doesn't have like that fishy breath stuff. So one thing that I love about 1stphorm is just like their personalization to everything. Like I always get some sort of handwritten note from people, and then they keep up with you and they write you cards to see how you're doing, and like they truly care about how you're doing, and just the like supportive community and everything. So, and with the 1stphorm outdoors, I really like that because I want to inspire moms especially to get outside with their kids, whether it's rain, snow, sleet, or shine, just to gear up the kids and get out there, and to not set limitations in their minds early on about if the weather prevents you from going outside, then what else is going to prevent you from doing things that you may or may not want to do in the future. And it just like it seems like a stepping stone for starting limiting beliefs in their minds. So I like to get outside with the kids regardless of the weather, and we have a lot of camping and trekking trips planned for this spring and summer. So my husband and I went elk hunting. We went elk hunting this year, late season muzzleloader elk hunting, and we didn't get anything. And so I am committing myself to being on top of it and doing some good tracking and scouting through the spring and summer. And we get to teach the kids all about that too. As a homeschooling family, it's really great because we get to teach them outdoor stuff all day, every day. And we do about an hour and a half to 2 hours of in classroom. We're in the classroom right now, in classroom stuff. So with my order, I also purchased, or I didn't purchase this, it came with it, this complimentary 1stphorm t-shirt. You like that, Weston? I like the black and blue, huh?
Mom, when is it going to turn into mine?
This is going to be mommy's. And it is a women's, and so it's always going to fit. It's going to fit appropriately for a woman. Okay, and that is the end of the box. Weston? Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I will be talking more about how much I like the protein powder. Hopefully I like it. If not, I'll let you know. And also I will be letting you know about the Megawatt, the pre-workout as well. Once I let other people try it, I'll try to get their opinion on camera also. Okay. Thank you so much. All right. Have an awesome night.